In this video, let me teach you on how to fix YouTube videos not playing. There are ways you can do to troubleshoot for it to be fixed. First is to simply restart your computer or your device. A simple restart can fix a lot of issues that happens in the background that you didn't know. Next, simply check your internet connection. Poor connection sometimes cause for YouTube videos to not play. You can do a speed test to test the speed of your computer or network, or you can restart your Wi-Fi router. Next method you can do is to optimize YouTube video quality. Having a high resolution on playing the videos on YouTube causes lag if you don't have a stable internet connection, so try to use a lower quality while watching a YouTube video. Another method you can do is to clear cache and cookies of your browser. For example, the Chrome app. Click on the three dots icon at the top right corner, then select Settings in the pop-up menu. Next, click on Privacy and Security from the left side panel. Now click on Delete Browsing Data. Select what kind of data that you want to include beside the cache images and files, then select the time range of it. Then click on Delete Data below to complete the process. Now, if you have an outdated browser, simply update your browser to the latest version to avoid compatibility issues where it causes for the video to not play. Last method you can do is try to update your device operating system. You can check it by searching software update using the search bar on your device. Running your system on the latest version will fix some bugs and issues that can cause for the problem. Now follow these methods and I hope this will help you on fixing the issues. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.